So, it's dark out. There's been a blizzard going on in Minnesota. You can't see it because it's dark out. Yeah, hello. I'm gonna go downstairs and show you what it looks like. Okay, you can see from up there, this is some snow. There's supposed to be about 10 inches of it. Like this one. Look, almost a foot. That's where all my cushions are. Look how much snow's on top of it. So much of it. Look at the rail. It's so tall. This is daytime. You can see more. You can't really see it. I just got super wet. This one's on fire. That got scared into my room. Or my studio, dude. My studio. Totally don't do this with my door closed. Yeah, totally do not do this with my door closed. I'm not a savage. But, wait a minute. Okay, I really wish it was day right now. I wonder, I wish it was day. Oh wow, it's day now. Okay. Just kidding, it's not daytime. Okay, this is actually gonna turn to daytime now. It's daytime now. Okay then. Yeah, that's kind of the video. We can see the snow outside. Lots of snow. The reason I didn't do it on the other side of the house is because there's not as much snow there. Trees, tennis court. My soccer net, you can probably see a little orange, is not even covered in snow anymore, which I'm happy about. Wait, let's look at the trampoline. The trampoline. It's not that bad, but I wouldn't bounce on it, even with snow gear. I don't like going on here with snow gear. Pool? Why? It just looks like an angel. It looks like heaven. Oh yeah, that's that's the video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Yeah.